Yanshe Mustafa Bandi ene eda NPP executive so atwa hia ewo Akwatia omi ebu ablik manoto yewie ni evri etia It is Osha Henry Nana Boache, the national organizer, Edema NPP, Amuyoko, one Joseph Yamosia, national organizer, Edema NDC, Amuyoko, and Omujawi. Mamma said, You bet me at here, Omukoma no Edino Abia. Okay, that was what I say, Ablik Manot, Omi Ebisa. Sir, Ablik Manot. What was it? But somebody come say, any bet 2 hours cry. Yeah. Na wensu no ekire nkabom okay nti on camera for the optics yes bibi say koso na mmom no emfi akomapam masem no efi say ba ko beka say obi ye ka misuma ye keke obi ye keke misuma keke no ye keke dey so into politicians there omo eni kan nti dey make can say bring nyina no by elections ayako and tokwa na eba na enyo mo fi kromo na eku yeah omo ya import o maba constituency ho no e no mbedi etutu asem to scare voters and it om baba yes adwuma no enti no say ye ko main election or dwen ni de hu enti oba entina de bi Dubai election na concentration is so high okay but me giri say Akwatia so rerun okay fe ye kwede kwatie ekomo na mo edi no ebi na ye mra ise
Asante Abednego do in avio. They were all my mates. I'm a journalist by profession. Oh, wow. Yes, I'm a journalist by profession and a police officer. Yes. Yes, I'm a journalist by profession. So in Avio is my mate. Abednego Asante is my mate. Walanyo. Walanyo is my mate. I think he's with Hit.
Yeah, no,
Wala is Adom. Yes. Grace was my mate before he left you.
There's a Uti Mustafa Bandi, there's an only multimedia for journalists in the classmates. Okay, into near can say as we and a in a year pay Sabaton Bequasu as we na you bidding could medin could not. Nemonen Quenqua, yes, say Chiniachi, and I mean, only social margins in our parliament now. NDC. 2 tests, absolute majority. I want to care about the effect of this election. It's insignificant. But to NPP and NDC. Yes, it's insignificant. NPP nya Badwam so kakra na ye wo no ye bo ho ban. Enti ye de be ko 88 no. 88 no ye ma bo ho ban. Na mom ekofiri mu pe ba Akwatia firi mu a aba 87. Na je say obado say 87 bua. Eno so okay, mate. So, in the enoso ekobema na che say ekwakoye abemubu say Ablekumanov a free answer. But me slice now the impact of outcome of these elections no on okay etikwaku 5FM see a 2 about way area what would be the impact?
Yeah, so on say CCR Parliament maybe I no NDC 183. It's Mutala Mohammed. No 184.
Okay.
Absolute majority.
Okay.
But it's Mutala Mohammed a free moon. It's 183.
Okay.
NPP is 88. And Eskumia free moon 87.
Okay.
Independent 4.
Okay.
It's Naka 2 no Akwatia Koson ne.
And
Tamale Central so because of 30th.
It is me boss say NDC we near it will take them back to the absolute
majority 184.
With 184.
184.
NPP every near
Ebesan de about 88.
The same 88 now. And my NPP is holding the absolute majority now.
Yeah, on says see about free so.
Okay.
Into no absolute majority now.
Okay.
And Tamale Central be kan ho 184
ned. What the automatic because NPP
Tamale Central obenya Tamale Central. But NPP pull it out.
NPP pull it out.
Okay.
Into absolute exactly.
Okay.
One into and American say into the little motivation.
As mo ya man come na kwa discuss say be say wa Akwatia.
There be on say ekwa say NPP o ma lose Ablekuma North.
Okay.
Say Akwatia so be kan ho a say na kakra mu kura ni gia na yaji film sem. And so
the impact, exactly the psychological
for future elections.
Okay. You know, the merits and demerits, you know.
Okay.
That's why the odds are against MPP.
Yeah.
But NDC has nothing to lose.
Sure.
It will be a misnomer. The can misnomer ADBS ACA.
Okay.
So say NDC bear imagine say Yakoboma Akwatia.
Okay.
So
like say omma gidigidi ebe mu as to who wins ah.
Nwanwa chese nwanwa. Because Tamale Central no it will still take you back
to the absolute majority now.
So it Adom now quite free MPP
who maybe they want to make a case to say the new patriotic party it's not a party.
The only thing is to write history.
Yeah.
And the history is that Yabuwa Brawasum.
Okay.
So what you say?
Okay.
Yabuwa Brawasum no won kwenti akran so no.
Yabaje
free winsem.
Okay.
Now kwa say utimi fu utimi wa.
Into wrong.
That is the only caveat in there. The argument, MPP for withdraw from Tamale Central. No. Now, Nkrofobi can say, any and can NDC for some withdraw from
Akwatia. Okay.
What a response in a buyer.
Yeah.
So, that is the only thing.
Because I say Akwatia so no. Maybe young for your agency way so. NDC for Gideon regime be say. Omu wini Akwatia 2024.
There be statistics, you know, the patch out.
Okay.
In year 2024, they can't contest it anywhere because the data, the difference, you know,
okay.
In year.
About 2,000 and something.
MPP, they appreciated by just 527 votes.
NPP.
Yes, that is coming from 2020 to 2024. Yeah. Or appreciated by 527 votes. And NDC reduced by 2,693 votes.
NDC?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe this comparison is with what year? Is it 2020?
From 2020 to 2024.
Okay.
That
trend, okay.
So what you say? The gains of 2020 as against the gains of 2024.
Okay. So the NDC dropped by 2,000.
2,693 votes.
And NPP appreciated by
527 votes.
Already no more a difference of 5,000 against NDC in 2020.
Say statistics in an person card.
Okay.
But my yanwaha.
Okay.
And it is interesting. So what I say, what figures and I say very interesting.
Okay.
And when a court NTM ruling in favor of the NDC. Okay. It's simple. Very simple. Because so yeah, all the calculations are. Would you appreciate it? How do you take the thing?
Okay.
We lose you know. Can I say we lose by 300 and a bill, 200 bill, 2,600 plus.
Okay.
So what you say? Yeah. Now the issue there no any. Okay. So what's the trend now? NDC at a point in time that is from 2000 to 2004. NDC appreciated by 5,415 votes.
Okay.
The same time, MPP appreciated by 5,581 votes.
Okay.
There was a difference of about 100 and something votes. What you say? Okay. It tells you how close that election was.
Okay.
Now, Ufri 96 about 2000. That was the first time I know MPP at tasty about 2,000. And no crown was appreciated by 990 votes. What I say? NDC lose by 10,000 over 10,000 votes. 96 to 2,000. That was NDP and 92.
92, yeah.
And over 96.
Okay.
And no ube lose ye. So what I say? But all ban over 2,000 before a time. Or appreciated by 990. But the incumbent are no free 92 about 96 about 2000 the incumbent party no will lose over 10,000 votes. What does it tell you? So what you say? It so we are trend na the bar. NDC losses are too huge.
Akwatia.
NDC losses are too huge. 10,000. So I think say the least loss 1,624.
Yeah,
and that was from 2004 to 2008.
Okay.
So you see, in election,
so
okay. So,
the dynamics in there no, quite tricky, and that is why we use our statistics, you know. Now, what they compare to what is happening in Akwatia in terms of voter responses. The beyond better about you know, Nenasefo now. Which means NPP stands at a very good position. What you say?
Okay.
They stand at a very good position to win the election. All right. And the only dynamics about NPP lose no na makachiro.
If the state actors no compromise
yes. And in fact, if this election is run free and fair.
Also, election be free and fair. Election be free and fair organ.
So, also that show to him.
Dr. Tutubuai.
And I say,
election be free and fair. So certainly believe it's free and fair.
Also that now one can
okay.
So we show to him. The mumu that next will team can send him.
Well, I can see with these figures, I must say,
yeah.
We share from 2000, ABC 2024.
Yeah.
She's the only MP not pencil. We need a margin of over 5,000.
I see. I will see a whole. Okay.
I'm say a year by 2016.
You see, maybe.
Because you are correct, no. As some more. Okay. Etienne. NDC lose 2016. NDC lose by 4,403 votes.
Okay.
NPP gaining by 1,696 votes.
Okay.
As against the previous election.
Yes.
That's 2012 there.
From 2012 to 2012 to 2016. So you see, say, any time NDC able lose votes, you know, it gets into NPP. But votes now, if it wasn't free, NPP will call NDC. But
NDC didn't be NPP didn't. NPP didn't no more losing no enco to NDC.
Yes, so we say baby, the only time NPP lose here no was 1,486. That was 2004 to 2008. 1,400 and they dropped. Okay. But the net effect was like a call NDC one. NDC so lose by 1,624 votes. So all the say city here.
NPP could lose here. Ni vote no lose here no. Like yem to cry.
Enco
to NDC.
Enco.
Okay.
You see.
Okay.
You see.
But
sorry.
But again, NDC so clear cases of abstention.
Okay. Like yen to aba. Men to meeting baby.
But say yen to ayan konko to my way.
Okay.
That's why you see say MPP DM no call NDC DM.
Okay.
So what I say. But again, you could see the same thing say NDC DM na ebeba MPP DM na also. So it means say the intra-party swings, you know, and also.
Okay.
So what I say, inter-party swings, you know, and also. So MPP has the opportunity to take advantage of NDC votes, swings, you know.
Okay.
Swing MDC for no.
Yeah.
But then also.
But mami twa mo mre se kwesi fa che meba so na abeto twa meba eba na me no up ewo mami fa jamna ewo amane so jamna good morning.
Good morning.
Afa ye fa na ogina.
Mijina takrase.
Okay, dia na koso anopai.
Yo, me da se sabre dia abato no sade en je tie no omotuma hye bibia se enwano na obata kwase a police station se wo ha maako edu 10 ena ewa ha na ye hyase na tese omedi kan atototo bia kama etika fa hyase dia na ye hyase nkogba bia yakokọ kokoni nyina nanka yemfa emam idika ko NYCO takrase na enipa dodo ese to aba no eye 474 atata no pa 751 amedu ho na nipa 35 ena ato na oba takrase Presby Primary School a almost anopa amedu ho 810 na nipa ato aba no eye 26 na opa expect nipa ma ufi ho anu aba funeral takrase funeral grounds honzo so yedu ho anopa 822 no na nipa 26 na ato aba no na omo expect say nipa 255 and a better banner. If you are Methodist church, Takrase, Nipa expected some better banner 306. At Anopa 831 and we do Nipa 36 and a 12 banner. Ape town mosque, I was Takrase, we do Honon Konope na Nipa almost expected some better banner 437, Nipa 62 and a better banner. You find by the backgrounds I was across and also any power expected some better abane 581 as at 97 I could do one na nipa 74 and at abano into ohemwa about one asase a bibia e kwaso mediem security so wa ha udu kroni mu a utun say police station bia no manhu aposi for kwa be 30 na mo ho bo ban a chese bibia e koso na ade ba ko akoye yi kakra ne say Oba Takrase Township na ase kru no ekwan na ye futu kwan sa nti na ntan ya omo be ye by election ya ne hu se omo be ye feeling a tete omo ye kwan no a na man futu aba kru ni mu nti omo hyase a omo water kwan ne so ama kwan ne so omo water so atete kakra ba nti mrewa ene mpanifo a omo ni afika kakra no ekoto aba na omo complaini ese atete aba kwan ne so na nka tete emre sei na ese omo water kwan no eno ana ade aba kakra be ka se ye hu a eye kakra na so ni nyina echi no nipa di akire a omoto aba bibia e kosos mudwem
bera sipi kwasi dwam na ya mane bone ya onso ewo Akwatia eno de amane boy efri ebre so kwekuna manfo message kakra ye wa menfa twela men koda me ho emra ise we say kwasi good morning. So all these police officers are here in Ghana and Bole Sola Tuna and Boko is not stop peace. Okay. Anyway, bye. With this small by lesson, just look at the security presence over there, and we cannot get the same police officers in the place where people are running out from their own homes. Hey. So dear, I don't know. So this one to says, okay. See, do you know the statistics? Okay, so see, your statistics doesn't carry weight. Do you know the statistics of Ablekumanot? But you saw what happened. Okay. Isaac Tete, the other day, and also the Ghana Police Service and the IG should prove to the people of Ghana that indeed they are on top of their game by ensuring peace, security, and decorum in Akwatia during and after this by-election. Jobo, Edward Fripokia say, or the Eba. Where's it thumbs up to? Adom for the good work that you are doing. Our security has to be very vigilant and avoid violence. Dennis Kwache, Edia, also Edibai. No, so share the live coverage of Akwatia by-election on Adom TV, UT Live, so Adom 106.3 FNFA, Asempa 94.7 FM. Consumer Fidi and Ayaba, Sisia Betwaso. Yamawina Kwabaso, ABM. I was Akwatia jiremu se ye hwese se ko sabre ya de asundwemu ana yenam de eko chebesa akọ grounds bi me ka se bono ndipe ye me emoso but by 2 we besa wa back with Adom kase esi verse 1 na efi 3 yasa asomo ebiem de se ebe kwa ko se electoral commission be ka se esimesa na so benten ena edekuri ba ma ne bo aye se ke ka chim se asotro bia bam o so ye ma shew se asotro bia bam den dia tete se asoka che Sofo
Azorka. Masawud Osman.
What was it?
NPP vice chairman. Wow, pada sum. Se to.
Wow. Ena American.
Yes.
Azorka ofie sirem ho. On to aba ho. Masawud nsusu on to aba ho. Enti omo as I say security for
they are national executives.
No, you see in future we must suggest say anka security for no party for entrance.
Okay.
But the when we have a campaign on the day of voting, won't feel constituency why am I? Near constituency for now because party more from police station executives, more electoral area executives, and some more constituency, police station electoral area, and as a ward, and a constituency. Or more can manage it than say go for fee different places about big war. I feel no creative problem.
Place supervisory.
They may supervisory rule. Main election on bow. You see, these are some of the things. But say on man for them fi kromo problem be anymore. Omo fi be outsiders. Omo no be kun dey hu na say nkofo ntumi pie ko to omaba. Anyway, election. Na by this time, by election they are who hwe.
Yeah.
Ebe court 3.
Okay.
When I'm turn out, no, or when I feel you know, your money and accounting. You do will be on pin sheets.
Like sorting and
be on pin sheets. Said you see 2024 no. We just say easy for no. Oh my, you ye.
And not easy for pay. Can on 2024.
No, be konya pin sheet for franco failing results. And pay no thing.
Because that's the challenge.
Because only 3 candidates.
Yes, you are free.
No, abona adwuma ene na busia ho ban.
See, and American because obianko swap pink sheet. Ti said the 2024 no. Na nko kwese akokan wie no.
Ma okay, we go tie komo Masawud ene secretary twe komo de atudwa.
At the moment, I'm granting an interview. Azorka and his boys just come straight on me and attack me. But for now, I have reported the matter straight to the IGP. I have reported the matter straight to the IGP because he is the national vice chairman of their party. I am also the national vice chairman of our party. I never mentioned his name by an insult. But I'm here and he just come to attack me. He attacked me just for nothing. This shows how NDC believe in violence. We did not believe in violence. We believe in peace because everybody is here for peace. Everybody is here for peace. I never attack anybody in my speech. I never attack anybody physically or even spiritually. I'm a Muslim. But if you attack me, if you just come and attack me just simple because I'm granting an interview, I didn't see the sense on it. But I am telling the whole world what Azorka did for me today. Azorka, I'm a Dogomba man. I am a Dogomba man. You are staying in Tamale. And you come and attack me. What about if my people from Tamale to attack you? How will it end it? I'm a chief. I'm a chief in Kumbungu village. And you come and attack me. If my people are going to retaliate, what will happen? What will happen? And the police are here. Everybody, all the peace officers are here when Azorka attack me. And I'm sending a question to Azorka. I am not afraid of Azorka. What Azorka is doing, he's putting himself to a shame. We Northerners, today, Northerners, we have to show maturity. We have to show maturity. But why is it that when something happens like this, it's only we the Northerners that attacking each other? I never attack you. I never attack Azorka. Why are you attacking me? But look, Alhaji Masawudu, I will never allow any intimidation. I can't be intimidated. I, Masawudu, cannot be intimidated. I cannot.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. National Vice Chair for the NPP, and Chairman Azorka, and the boys are attacking. Yeah, or they Yeah, I understand. I understand. Thank you very much. Iti na nia ekoso ewa ha eno yeguso ye need the nsem echi ochese wa report ama IGP. Enti na nia ewo ho eno no yeguso ade amane no ebebreo.
Ebeda say eti see ye na dey la report e ebe.
NPP National Vice Chairman. Yeah. Ya tie nasem. But yentie Azorka so de.
Okay.
Enti no untimi en conclude.
Na yentie enkomodi ekwa no odie ma Azorka be attack no.
Exactly.
Okay.
Enti no at this moment it will be premature for me to say anything. They say or say or the assembly ama IGP into police or the papa police penidia omehwehwem na nia achia no omatreno na asumdua because no okay can say be so your hene ewo kumbungu honum baabi ono so wone dom enti mu nyina so mu fi esirem ho wa attack ni se nkofo nso kotoshe nkofo nso a na die na koba dabi yempese saa de ne bebe bi enti em de pa say Alhaji Masawud odi asem no e de ma IGP mi gidi se COP tetenyo nu IGP ono nkasa betra asem so na ni manimu ye a no wa hwe na waka asem no ma ye mfifim na ne no kreda no mo de ato se na be de asem bi beba
ba kwasi
kwa guchu me so obeye we so a me prepare sa Akwatia elections yakwa basa esi all se be hwe sa data no so doctor baby am say me too comfortable baby akwaso the NDA that a linkage to the north
Badwam say ese so ko baby na nipa me no ko
na no de NDC
no buza say enura de NDC
it between ono Masawud ni Azorka no
it buza say de na asi wo montam dada
okay
ba nya de asi ne
like say wo tawataw bi dada wo montam a mon solve ya
ana say adukunti ma ni gina so ka about say oye da gombani no yo hene na sefo no ebia no so asechire ho nti no ka sa asem no because say uwo baby na wote say ebia o papa uwo fa odofu bi obi akwa akoto ahye no so a uti anye ekura uti anye ya wonkonko bi zase de ne si yo enti unse esirem ho no ehon said that no bebre sir. So but I didn't like it the moment I will introduce you
that linkage in
that link no introduce you and I didn't like it. But the reality is so ewom. So what you say say what you hene na ne manfo bu no so na wo nim se what you hene na amamere mu no yemfa yensa nkeka wo hene basabasa no akwaye saa de no de na pese ochire
that if say yes
o say enye saa anko ankase ayesa ana ebia wo twa ntro ato Azorka nso so
bibia possible
ba say saa de a anhwe no no so manfo no afa nche o
okay
because so ni say I confirm to me the trouble ba na say yes asase kitu abi nso the trouble aba na wodo nsa akoka wo hene so enti edu baabi a amanyosem no ye wotumi a ye de ba de du baabi a ne ahwe ne yie
okay
na wahu se wo limit
okay
so what you say
ma me ko etichum buani enti ase elections ya nya wo Akwatia since 1992 ebesi 2024 emu se ne nya ya recording electoral violence.
Yes, Akwatia de no basically almost ni record of violence.
Okay.
It's na election na basically ejina emiaye enum. Okay. Enum na ejina Akwatia main town. Okay. Achemu wenchi. Boadua Takrase na achemu kusi. Akwatia main town where NDC stronghold.
Okay.
Intino anytime be our afenyo in case na ba na.
Yeah.
Almost almost prima ne maho. The NDC person onya ne vote ni nyina wo ho sekim. Na achemu wenti NPP base. Person onya ne vote ni nyina wo ho. Nti no mu hu NDC ni bi obeye yi kakra bi a omone ne beye gidigidi.
Okay.
Na Boadua na NPP candidate ne free. Na ehon so no Boadua East NDC stronghold. Boadua West NPP stronghold. Nti ehon so obi ankwema ne nyonko on the base. Na NDC candidate ne free Achim Takrase. Takrase na kejemfo a free. Former DC Seth ono so free Takrase. Nti omo mienu magic no ebe work against NDC candidate na.
Okay.
Ehonso no gidi betumi aba ho no.
Okay, so in general, Akwatia as a constituency that any history of electoral violence.
Eh na nkete obia ne base
like the pocket na you record other is.
I remember 2012 there was rerun of 9 polling stations.
And no na ballot box. And obi snatch here. And
so true.
Eh na nkete.
So true by.
So true by.
So nkete say obi hu obi hu obi pa o se mempre ma ma okay base. Sa no mo ye no.
So it means that with Akwatia there no as a obia ye key in protecting the area onya the majority votes every
sa pepe and anopai baby ate wanti na no ane Akwatia there no main Akwatia then ubehu achim wanti then amatomen kakra ubehu we say hey and this for by say na gidi aba ho kakra buadua say the same thing a high base e ma or NPP candidate na buadua lorry station na no wo no buadua east or side only NDC base and NDC out of that 625 votes no NDC nya 348 in the 2024 election into the only NDC base into bibiki twe bi pa office obeskata ni vote no ye gidi obo patapa obi akọ ne baby into any violence say yakun obi prepare bi asa kakra gidi bi kakra bi na o ma solve.
We only hope you say yenya Ablik Manot yenya ayawaso so gone e ho honum na as yaminti ensi yaminti
na eni ahwe yi omo nyina anya ahwe
eni no kredie
because misa Akwatia mindful do omo nko dem ahoko na ho ba o aprosifo no mo mani ni o machi
kwa mamfa we mbabwe campaign no wote say candidate ni bia e check off obetimi aboa me Akwatia galamse wa Akwatia
Debbie on the body to me faza ankomo nko is so boys no mo adwuma no
wo do ko beti ato
wo de nkomo ne ko say kim na is a campaign and that
candidate effect no eba no
okay
so candidate effect na Akwatia guy no minor no ono no ne adwuma ne ba ko nso Akwatia okay ekoko basa enkrofo no mo ye adwuma no enu na sefo so I think say he has some kind of advantage. In fact, development no what there, but so far so from JDM1, down to Nana Kufuado. So far, we said major project be our
developmental project be. Mate, let us say, Dr. Tutubuai, a political marketer, or also charity or investor of education, whatever. I could say my editor of Adom special desk. Kokuchum, our Adom research department. We did see is in a second comma production team in some kind of boy emergement day every pay. Ye dumbi no, yes, sir, it's here. No me, yes, sir, while 12 more say, ye wabatono a day. If you consider Adom TV, T Adom 106.3 FM, the Cosu T Asempa 94.7 FM. That crowd.